Want to make your own printable language worksheets so you can learn, practice, and master the language faster? Keep watching. There's an easy way to do this with our system. But first, if you don't yet have access to our language learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account. First step, getting your word and phrase lists. First, before you get to making the actual printable worksheets, you'll need the words and phrases that you'd like to practice with the worksheets. And that depends on you and what you want to learn and practice. But don't worry, there's an easy way to do it as you're learning with our system, and I'm going to show you how. So as you go through the lessons on your learning pathway, you'll come across new words and phrases in every lesson. You'll find them down in the vocab section. If there are any you want to save, you can send them to your word bank. Think of the word bank as your extended brain, where you save words and phrases for later review. And the word bank is what will help you make these worksheets down the line. So just hit the Add to Word Bank button on the lesson page for whichever words and phrases you want to save, and keep on going with the lessons. By the way, you can also save words from our free vocabulary lists, which you'll find in the vocabulary drop-down menu. There are hundreds of word and phrase lists sorted by topics like weather, hobbies, or chatting about your day. When you find words or phrases you like, hit Add All to Word Bank, and boom, your vocab collection grows. So this is your first step. Once you've added enough words and phrases and want to make some worksheets, move on to this next step. Second step, creating your own printable worksheets. Now here's how you put the word bank to use and make your own worksheets. Start by heading to the vocabulary menu and clicking on word bank. That's where all your saved words and phrases are. And if you're on the app, you'll find the word bank inside the menu. Once you're in the word bank, you'll see an option for a printer-friendly version. Click it, and there you can print your entire collection right away. Or if you've organized your word bank into categories like verbs, adjectives, or whatever labels work for you, you can export just those. Select the label, hit Export Word Bank, and save it as a PDF. After that, print it out and you've got a personalized worksheet ready to go. You can use it for a review or even write on it to practice, and that's it. By the way, if you just want ready-made printable worksheets and cheat sheets, you'll find them inside our free Gifts of the Month newsletter, which goes out to all members, so look out for that. So if you want to learn the language and get access to these learning tools and our learning system, sign up for a free lifetime account right now. Just click the link in the description to get your free lifetime account.
Wait! Before we start, do you want a bundle of 30 printable Romanian PDF cheat sheets, teaching you words and phrases for conversations for free? Then click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get access.
Hello everyone! Welcome back to RomanianPod101.com. Fastest, easiest, and most fun way to learn Romanian. My name is Larisa. I'm your host today, and in this lesson, I will introduce you to some Romanian words related to the month of October in Romania. October in Romania. Luna octombrie în România. Welcome to the magical world of October in Romania. Also known as Brumărel, the 10th month of the Gregorian calendar. With 31 days of increasingly chilly weather, October marks the full arrival of autumn, where the landscapes turn into vibrant shades of orange, red, and yellow. You'll feel the crisp air, and if you wake up early enough, you might see brumă, or frost, the light layer of frozen dew coating the grass and trees. Now, let's explore some specific Romanian words and traditions that are key to understanding the month of October in Romania. Let's start with the traditional Romanian name for October, which is Brumărel. Brumărel. Derived from the word for frost, which is brumă, brumă. This reflects the chilly mornings when you see the delicate frost glistening on the ground. Think of brumă as nature's early warning system that winter is on its way. Brumă, frost. Autumn, toamnă. Toamnă. Toamnă, or autumn, is in full swing during October. Temperatures drop to around 15 to 18 degrees Celsius, and nature begins to settle down for its long winter nap. During the day, ziua, ziua. During the day, you might still enjoy mild weather, but beware, during the night, noaptea, noaptea. During the night, it gets pretty cold. Toamnă, autumn. Vegetable spread, zacuscă, zacuscă. Zacuscă. This is one of Romania's most delicious autumn dishes. Made from roasted vinete, eggplants. Vinete, vinete. Ardei, bell peppers. Ardei, ardei. Onions, ceapă, ceapă. And tomatoes. Roșii, roșii. Zacuscă is the perfect spread to enjoy with bread. In October, many Romanians make zacuscă at home, gathering their families for an epic cooking session. The smell of roasted veggies is a true sign that autumn has arrived. Zacuscă, vegetable spread. Grapevine, viță de vie, viță de vie. If you're in the countryside in October, you can still see viță de vie, grapevine, with struguri, grapes, struguri, struguri, ready to be harvested for winemaking. Throughout the month of September and until the beginning of October, in certain areas of Romania, households are dedicated to picking vines and to the festive customs surrounding this occupation. October is a busy and festive time for anyone with a vineyard. Vineyard in Romanian is podgorie. Podgorie. People come together to collect grapes and, of course, make some delicious vin, wine, vin. The vine leaves or the grape leaves are called frunze de viță de vie. Frunze means leaves, frunze de viță de vie. And these can be used to make traditional dish called sarmale, where grape leaves usually are stuffed with a mixture of minced pork, rice, onion, and different spices. Viță de vie, grapevine. Frunze de viță de vie, grape leaves. The traditional dish called sarmale can also be made with pickled cabbage leaves. Frunze de varză murată. We said frunze means leaves, de of, varză cabbage, murată pickled. Frunze de varză murată. Cabbage, varză, varză. October is also when cabbage is being harvested, and because it is a key ingredient for many traditional dishes, this is quite a big deal, especially in the rural areas. For example, in the region of Transylvania, some villages organize cabbage festivals called cabbage days, zilele verzi, where people compete in cooking contests for the best cabbage-based dishes. These events are filled with traditional music, dancing, and, of course, a lot of food. You'll find entire markets filled with giant heads of varză, cabbage. Everyone from grandmothers to chefs is on a mission to buy the best frunze de varză, cabbage leaves, for their sarmale and for the winter pickles. Varză, cabbage. chestnut, chestnuts. Castană, castane. October also marks the beginning of the chestnut harvest. The period of chestnut gathering starts once their outer shells split open, signaling that the chestnuts are ripe and ready to be collected. This is especially true in regions like Maramureș and Transylvania, where chestnut trees thrive, and chestnut festivals bring communities together in celebration. Chestnuts are often roasted over an open fire or in a special roasting pan, and their sweet, nutty flavor is perfect for the cooler autumn weather. Castane, chestnuts. Pumpkin, dovleac, dovleac. Let's talk dovleac. Pumpkin. October is also pumpkin season. And trust me, Romanians love to get creative with this big orange delight. Whether you're in the mood for some delicious roasted pumpkin or a slice of plăcintă cu dovleac, pumpkin pie, plăcintă cu dovleac, October is the month to enjoy it. Romanians bake pumpkins until they're soft and sweet, and often sprinkle a little sugar and cinnamon on the top for extra coziness. And if you're lucky, you might stumble upon a local pumpkin festival. In certain regions, there are festivals where people celebrate this wonderful autumn fruit. Because, yes, pumpkin is a fruit. Pumpkins come in all sizes, and during these festivals, you'll see some gigantic ones, along with plenty of pumpkin-themed dishes and decorations. So next time you visit Romania in October, don't forget to try dovleac in all its delicious forms. It's a real autumn treat that's sure to make you feel warm and fuzzy inside. Dovleac, pumpkin. Autumn colors. Culori de toamnă. Culori de toamnă. Autumn in Romania means the forests transform into stunning shades of yellow, galben, galben, orange, portocaliu, portocaliu, and red, roșu, roșu, galben, portocaliu, roșu. If you're taking a walk in the forest, pădure, forest, pădure, the crunchy leaves under your feet will make you feel like you're in a fairy tale. Culori de toamnă. Autumn colors. Fog, ceață, ceață. October mornings often bring ceață, thick fog that adds an air of mystery to the landscape. It's especially beautiful when it drapes over the Carpathian Mountains or the hills of Transylvania. Ceață, fog. Rain, ploaie, ploaie. October is a month of ploaie, rain, in Romania. You'll need an umbrella handy, as showers are frequent, but don't worry. After the rain, the fresh smell of wet soil makes the world feel crisp and new. Ploaie, rain. Honey, miere, miere. In autumn, it's common for Romanians to stock up on jars of honey, miere, miere, which pairs perfectly with tea during those cool October evenings. Tea in Romanian is chai. Chai. Honey is also used in traditional Romanian remedies for colds and sore throats, Think of it as nature's sweet medicine. Tea with honey is chai cu miere. Chai cu miere. In conclusion, October in Romania is the perfect time to tantalize your taste buds with local delicacies, explore heartwarming traditions, and relish the stunning natural beauty that graces the lands. From the harvest of varză, cabbage, castane, chestnuts, and dovleac, pumpkin, to zacuscă and vin, vegetable spread and wine, and to the arrival of brumă, the frost. This is a time when you can embrace the rhythm of nature, prepare for winter alongside the locals, and enjoy the stunning fall landscapes. Whether you're here for the food, the views, or the traditions, October has something magical in store for everyone. And if you're out walking in the ceață, fog, on a chilly morning, maybe even caught in a light ploaie, rain, nothing says Romanian autumn like warming up with a nice cup of chai cu miere, tea with honey. You might just find yourself falling in love with Romania's beautiful toamnă, autumn. What does the month of October look like in your country? Let us know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching until the end. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you liked the video, please like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you want to speak Romanian and learn in the fastest, easiest, and most fun way, go to RomanianPod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account right now. Until next time, bye! Pe data viitoare! La revedere!
Now that you're finished with this lesson, don't forget, as a free bonus, you get over 30 conversation cheat sheets, but only if you sign up via the link in the description. You'll learn how to have flowing conversations and how to answer the most common questions. You can also print out these colorful cheat sheets to keep as physical study material. So don't miss out on this free gift. Click the link in the description and sign up for a free lifetime account to get your PDF cheat sheets. Access your free language gifts right now before they expire. First, the Talking About Age PDF cheat sheet, so you can easily ask and answer, how old are you in your target language? Second, the Being Thankful vocabulary list. What are you thankful for this Thanksgiving? You'll be able to express your gratitude fluently with this 1-minute lesson. Third, want a bonus writing worksheet for Thanksgiving? No other language app will give you free bonus resources, but we will. You'll master all the different phrases for saying thank you with this free writing worksheet. Fourth, online shopping vocabulary. Learn how to say sale, coupon, and much more with this 1-minute vocabulary bonus. And fifth, the only language app that gets you speaking and understanding native speakers because it teaches you through real conversations between real native speakers. Download the innovative language learning app for free on Android, iPhone, and iPad. To get your free gifts of the month, click the link in the description below and download them now before they expire.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.